to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out some new NYX makeup products. NYX makeup is widely known for their great quality and affordable makeup. So I'm going to be trying out the NYX Wonder Snatch Powder and also some products from the Wednesday collection, which is a part of a limited edition. I'll start with the Wonder Snatch Powder. This is a very versatile powder that claims to not only set but also lift and brighten. It comes in 8 shades consisting of 4 translucent shades to set and 4 brightening shades. This powder does not contain talc or silica and is also infused with green tea. The shade I'm going to try is called 03 Peach Posse. So this is what it looks like. So let me just open it. By the way, this is my first time opening this. So let's see. So this is what it looks like inside. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I remove the seal. I'm just gonna pop some in the lid. Let me first swatch it to see how it looks like on my bare skin. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It has a really buttery feel. I love how it feels on my skin. You can tell indeed that this is not going to be a drying formula. So I think that is why it has that soft buttery feel. It's not that typical dry talc feel. So I love that. I'm going to use this to set my concealer. So first I will put on my concealer, then set with this powder. By the way, this is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. This is one of my favorite concealers. Okay, so I've now applied my concealer. So now I'm going to set with this powder. So I'm just going to put a bit more. I'm going to use this lovely powder puff from Huda Beauty to apply the powder on top of my concealer to set it. I'm just going to apply a second layer. Okay, so this is it. So I'm just going to leave it to bake to set a bit. So this is what it looks like when I just applied it. I haven't dusted it off yet. And to be honest with you, this is not a bad shade. I usually tend to buy yellow powders, banana shades. They do have a yellow shade in this range called Banana Brat. But I decided to try something different because I heard that peach shades are also great for dark skin tones, especially if you're neutral, and I am more on the neutral side. So I thought, let me give this shade a try, and it's not bad. It's not as bright as I thought it would be, but it's not bad. So now I'm gonna dust it off. So this is it. I do feel that this gives a blurring effect. Yeah, it's really nice, especially on camera. It looks good, yeah. And it also gives a brightening effect. I think the claims to this is true. And also this powder claims to give a lightweight airbrushed look. And I think that is also true. I believe that because it feels light on my skin. So yeah, I think this is really good. And also you can lock it, which is so good. So let's see if I can do it on camera. So now it's locked tight. I love that because I hate when I open powders and it's so messy inside the container. I don't like that. This is travel friendly. Not only is it small, it's also mess free. So love it. So now I will move on to the NYX X Wednesday collection. This limited edition theme is in collaboration with the American comedy horror TV series called Wednesday. I only got 2 products from this particular collection. This is the Wednesday Stained Glass Blush Enid palette. And I also got the Wednesday Mystery Lip Oil. This comes in 3 color shifting shades, but I chose the shade 1 Nightshade. I'll start with the blush palette. This has a total of 4 shades and it claims to give a pigmented flush of colors. I love the packaging, I love the design. I was particularly interested in this blush palette because it has a purple matte shade. I usually have difficulty finding matte purple blushes. They're usually shimmery or liquid based. For example, NYX has a purple blush in the Buttermelt collection and it's called All the Butter, but it gives off a glowy look. I'm going to try all 4 shades of this palette to see how each one looks on me. But first, let's do a swatch. So I'm going to start with the first one, which is this bright pink. This is the first one, if you can see it. This is the second one. I don't know if you can see, it has a glow to it. Lovely. And this is the third one. Wow, this one seems to be really pigmented. I love this. And this is the fourth one, the purple shade. As you can see, it's matte. All of the shades except for the second one are all matte. So the second shade is more of a shimmery, glowy shade. So now I'm going to start with the first shade. So this is what it looks like on my brush. It's a lovely pink shade. So let's see how it looks on my skin. So this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can put a bit more. Can you see it? I'm glad that it still shows on my skin type because I can still see, even though it's not so vibrant, but like what they said, it gives a flush of color, and that's exactly what it did. So I'm going to be cleaning my brush after I try each shade, which is what I'm going to do right now. I've cleaned it now, so now I'm going to move on to the next shade, the second shade here. Wow, this is beautiful. See that glow? See that shimmer? I'm just gonna add a second layer on top to see if it'll be more pigmented. Wow, and it is pigmented. You can see it. I love the glow. Like, I love the shimmer. I love it. It's so cute. So this is the first shade and this is the second shade. It's so pretty. So far, I'm loving this palette and we have 2 more to go. Now I'm gonna go in with the third shade. Wow, this is pigmented. It's beautiful. I don't think I need to add a second layer because it would just be too much. I feel this is the pigmented one out of the 4. And again, this is the third color. And look at it, like, this is gorgeous. I love this shade. So if I were to use it to go out, I would be very light-handed with it because this is pigmented. It's more of like a pinkish reddish shade. Now, the last shade is the purple shade. I can't wait to try this. I hope it doesn't let me down because this was actually the reason why I bought this palette, because of this purple. So let's see how it looks. Okay, I've cleaned my brush, so now I'm just gonna... So this is the first layer. Not bad, but I'm gonna add a bit more. Okay, this is it. That's beautiful. So this gives off like a plum shade, should I say, on my skin tone. I've seen on other people with lighter complexion, it gives off more of a pink on the tone. But this, I feel it gives more of like a dark pink to plum shade on me. So yeah, I'm not disappointed. I love it. So this is the most pigmented out of all of these 4 shades. Other than that, all of these shades look so good on my skin tone. So I'll say this is also great for darker complexions. This is beautiful. All of them, even the first one, which is the lightest shade, this showed well on my skin. I love all of them. And the second one has more of a glowy look. So they added 1 shimmer shade to this matte palette. All of them are matte except for the second shade. And the third shade is the most pigmented out of them all. I love this. I'm glad I bought it. So yeah, this is great. Now I'm going to try the Wednesday Mystery Oil. I love the packaging. Look at the creepy looking hand. All giving that Halloween vibes. Love it. Again, I got the shade 01 Nightshade. It claims to have a long-lasting shine and non-sticky texture. So let's see. This smells good. It smells of berries. So let's try it now. So this is it. I love how it looks on me. This gives off a dark plum shade on me. Looks really, really good. It's not as pigmented because it's a lip oil, but again, I really, really like it. And yeah, it's non-sticky, so I love that. I love when brands stick to their word. Like NYX Cosmetics, their products are really, really good and affordable. So yeah, I must say that I really enjoyed trying out these new NYX products, and I feel that they're all great, particularly the Wednesday collection. I enjoyed using both of them. I love all the shades from this palette, and I also enjoyed using this lip oil too. Again, it's non-sticky and it feels so good on my lips, and I love the shade, which is the most important part. I may try the other 2 shades of this if they still have it, because this is a limited edition. I also enjoyed using this NYX Wonder Snatch Powder, but I think next time I will get the Banana Brat, because even though I heard that the peach is great for neutral undertones, I personally prefer the yellow undertones. I prefer that yellow look under my eye. Like I just prefer that look. So next time I will purchase the shade Banana Brat, which gives off that lovely golden yellow undertone. But other than that, this is also great too. That's all for this video. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get updates on my upcoming videos. See you in the next one.